I knew these existed, both were shown on Finnish TV, but I don't like commercial breaks and I like binge watching. When these became available for streaming, it was time to put them head to head. Hi, welcome to 5 Minutes with Questy. Marvel and DC compete on superhero comics. Competition entered the big screen after Man of Steel. I don't remember any talk about competition during Batman movies. With Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. and Arrow, the competition entered the small screen. Arrow is based on DC characters. Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. is based on Marvel characters. During first season, Arrow wasn't connected to anything. Now it's connected to another DC TV show, The Flash. Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. is connected to Marvel Cinematic Universe. Events of movies happen also in show. Arrow follows Oliver Queen as he returns to Starling City after being missing for 5 years. He becomes hooded vigilante with List. He hunts people who have betrayed the city. Character is based on Green Arrow, even though name Green Arrow is never mentioned. To be exact, even name Arrow is never mentioned. Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. follow Agent Coulson and his team as they study super powerful objects and humans with superpowers. S.H.I.E.L.D. is based on organization with same name in comics, but characters are created for this show. Exception being Agent Coulson, who was created for movies. Arrow had strong start, but at the midway point, Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. passed it by. After main characters were properly introduced, there were always something going on in Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Arrow had at least light reset between episodes. Flashbacks had continuing story arc, but it went more confusing as it went on. Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. had one annoyance. They only teased with movies. Samuel L. Jackson appeared a couple times as Nick Fury. Few of supporting cast of movies appeared every now and then, and at times it was very annoying that they talk about events in movies that they wouldn't show us. Most annoying it was when Agent Coulson told how he knew Thor, but we never saw Thor in this show. Both shows are good, but I prefer Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. In Arrow, when a person entered to Team Arrow, nothing changed for them after that. Supporting cast had changes, but Team Arrow remained quite unchanged. Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. had story arcs spanning over several episodes. Relationships between characters evolved as story went on, and this was even before the major twist. That was it for this time. See you next time.